Hello friends, today I'm going to talk about top Hollywood movies related to time travel. To watch more facts on various topics, do hit the like, share and subscribe buttons of our channel. We as humans are always curious to know whether time travel is possible or not. Even though there has been no real breakthrough for time travel so far, Hollywood movies has given ample opportunity for the humans to showcase their time travel imagination. The making of such time travel movies is very hard as a story and scientific concept needs to be presented in such a way that even the audience who do not know about advanced time travel concepts also need to understand. Let us travel back and watch some of the best time travel movies from Hollywood. The Time Machine. Year of release 1978. The movie is based on the novel by H.G. Wells. A scientist builds a machine that will enable him to travel back and forth in time. But when he puts it in motion, he gets more than he bargained for. The Terminator. Year of release 1984. A human soldier is sent from 2029 to 1984 to stop an almost indestructible cyborg killing machine sent from the same year, which has been programmed to execute a young woman whose unborn son is a key to humanity's future salvation. Back to the Future, Part 1. Year of release 1985. Marty McFly, a 17-year-old high school student, is accidentally sent 30 years into the past in a time-traveling, plutonium-powered DeLorean invented by his close friend, the eccentric scientist Doc Brown. During this trip back in time, Marty must make certain his teenage parents to be meet and fall in love so that he can get back to the future. Back to the Future Part 2. Year of release 1989. After visiting 2015, Marty McFly must repeat his visit to 1955 to prevent disastrous change to 1985 without interfering with his first trip. Marty McFly has only just gotten back from the past when he is once again picked up by Dr. Emmett Brown and sent through time to the future. Marty's job in the future is to pose as his own son to prevent him from being thrown in prison. Unfortunately, things get worse when the future changes the present. Back to the Future Part 3. Year of release 1990. Stranded in 1955, Marty McFly learns about the death of Dr. Brown in 1885 and must travel back in time to save him. With no fuel readily available for the DeLorean, the two must figure how to escape the Old West before Emmett is murdered. Groundhog Day. Year of release 1993. A weatherman finds himself inexplicably living the same day over and over again. First, he uses this for his advantage. Then comes the realization that he is doomed to spend the rest of the eternity in the same place, seeing the same people, do the same thing every day. 12 Monkeys. Year of release 1995. In a future world devastated by disease, a convict is sent back in time to gather information about the man-made virus that wiped out most of the human population on the planet. Planet of Apes. Year of release 2001. It is the year 2029. Astronaut Leo Davidson boards a pod cruiser on a space station on a rescue and recovery mission. But an abrupt detour through a space-time wormhole lands him on a strange planet where talking apes rule over the human race. With the help of a sympathetic chimpanzee activist named Ari and a small band of human rebels, Leo leads the effort to evade the advancing guerrilla army led by General Thade and his most trusted warrior Athar. The Time Machine. Year of release 2002. Based on the classic sci-fi novel by H.G. Wells, scientist and inventor Alexander Hartigan is determined to prove that time travel is possible. His determination is turned to desperation by a personal tragedy that now drives him to want to change the past. Testing his theories with a time machine of his own invention, Hartigan is hurtled 8 lakh years into the future, where he discovers that mankind has divided into hunter and the hunted. Timeline. Year of release 2003. A group of archaeologists and combat experts led by Chris Johnson and Kate Erickson use a 3D fax machine to time travel back to France in 1357 in hopes of retrieving Christ's father, Professor Edward Johnson, and returning safely to the present. But no such luck. Fending for themselves against murdering hordes of medieval French warriors at war with the invading British, these semi-interpreted travelers find their body count rising, and deadline for their return home is rapidly approaching. Click. Year of release 2006. A workaholic architect finds a universal remote that allows him to fast forward and rewind to different parts of his life. Complications arise when the remote starts to overrule his choices. Source code. Year of release 2011. A soldier wakes up in someone else's body and discovers he is part of an experimental government program to find the bomber of a commuter train within 8 minutes. He is also told, however, that he cannot change the past and can only gather information. Looper. Year of release 2012. In 2074, when the mob wants to get rid of someone, the target is sent into the past, where a hired gunman awaits. Someone like Joe, who one day learns the mob wants to close the loop by sending back Joe's future self for assassination. Edge of Tomorrow. Year of release 2014. A soldier fighting aliens gets to relive the same day over and over again, the day restarting every time he dies. Predestination. Year of release 2014. For his final assignment, a top temporal agent must pursue the one criminal that he has eluded him throughout time. The chase turns into a unique, surprising, and mind-bending exploration of love, fate, identity, and time travel taboos. X-Men: Days of the Future Past. Year of release 2014. The X-Men send Wolverine to the past into a desperate effort to change history and prevent an event that results in doom for both humans and mutants. Interstellar. Year of release 2014. Earth's future has been riddled by disasters, famines, and drafts. There is only one way to ensure mankind's survival: interstellar travel. A newly discovered wormhole in the far reaches of our solar system allows a team of astronauts to go where no man has ever gone before. A planet that may have the right environment to sustain human life. Project Almanac, year of release 2015. As a group of friends discovered plans for a time machine, they built it and used it to fix their problems and for personal gain. But as their future falls apart with disasters, and they come to realize the irreversible ripple effect caused by their time travels, they must decide to fix this once for all. Avengers Endgame, year of release 2019. After the devastating event of Avengers Infinity War in 2018, the universe is in ruins. With the help of remaining allies, the Avengers assemble one more time in order to reverse Thanos' actions and restore balance to the universe. Hope you all enjoyed the time travel. Also watch our video related to Is time travel possible? See you in another exciting topic. If you like, subscribe our channel, share with your friends. Take care. Bye bye.
Deep within, here we go, but somehow I'm caught in the middle.